Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter sulfur part 3. In this part we will learn the allotrophy of sulfur. First of all, what is allotrophy? So we have learned about allotrophy in detail in chapter carbon. Please go and check in the channel, you'll get some videos on it. Now, allotrophy of sulfur means sulfur exists in more than one physical form. This phenomenon is called allotrophy. The allotrophic forms of sulfur are broadly classified into crystalline and amorphous. Allotrophy of sulfur. Classified into two types, crystalline and amorphous. Crystalline and amorphous. So in this part we will only learn about crystalline. In part 4 we will learn about amorphous. Part 4. So let's start to learn about crystalline. So in crystalline there are again forms of sulfur. So crystalline forms of sulfur are rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. First is rhombic sulfur and second is monoclinic sulfur. First we will learn about rhombic sulfur. So in rhombic sulfur, it is a yellow crystalline material also called alpha sulfur. Also called alpha sulfur. Or oral rhombic sulfur. Orthorhombic sulfur. Orthorhombic sulfur. After that, in crystalline form, sulfur exists as 7-8 molecules has crown shaped structure. This has crown shaped structure and after that it is is divided in 7-8 molecules like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 molecules. In rhombic sulfur, the crowns are placed in the above order, like this structure is like. Please note. The structure is like this. And this arrangement results in an octahedral crystal. Octahedral crystal. Now let's move towards monoclinic sulfur. So the same properties are shown by the monoclinic sulfur. So the same properties are, it has S8 molecules and it is also a crown shaped structure. The differences are that in monoclinic sulfur it consists of colorless long needle-like crystals, also known as beta sulfur. Beta sulfur. And it is also known as prismatic sulfur. Prismatic sulfur, and the shape of it is like this, like this. The arrangement is like this. In S8 molecules it arranges like the arrangement is like this. Like this the arrangement is shown. This arrangement results in a needle-shaped prismatic crystal. Needle-shaped crystal. I hope you have understood till this. Now, preparation of crystalline forms. First, rhombic sulfur. In step 1, add powdered rolled sulfur to carbon disulfide and stir till sulfur dissolves. The solution is transferred to an evaporating dish. In step 2, CS2 in evaporating dish evaporates slowly at ordinary temperature, leaving behind the yellow crystals of rhombic sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur. Step 1 is that heat sulfur till it melts. Step 2, cool the dish externally. A crust is formed on the surface of the liquid. In step 3, two holes are made and molten sulfur is removed by inverting the dish. Crystal of long needles appear on inner side of the container. I hope you have understood till this. Now there are some physical properties of rhombic and monoclinic sulfur. So the color of rhombic sulfur is pale yellow. Pale yellow. And the color of monoclinic sulfur is amber, that is golden yellow. Nature are that the both are crystalline. The crystal shape of rhombic sulfur is octahedral and monoclinic sulfur is needle shaped. Melting point of rhombic sulfur is 112.8 degrees Celsius. Melting point is 112.8 degrees Celsius, and of monoclinic sulfur it is 119 degrees Celsius. This stability of rhombic sulfur is stable below 95.6 degrees Celsius and monoclinic sulfur is stable between 95.6 degrees Celsius to 119 degrees Celsius. The solubility in H2O of rhombic sulfur is insoluble. Same in monoclinic sulfur, that is insoluble. Solubility in CS2 is insoluble. Solubility in CS2 is soluble and soluble in both the cases of rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 4 with new topics. In part 4 we will learn the amorphous forms of sulfur. So there are 4 forms. Then we will see the preparation of amorphous forms of sulfur, then physical properties of one type of sulfur. I hope you have understood this part. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link and check the description. Let's meet in part 4 with new interesting topics. Thank you for watching.